na-scam ng 4 million pesos. But instead na mag-quit, he now makes over 4 million pesos per month and even gives his money sa charity. At the end of this video, he will tell you kung paano niya ito nagawa. Now, context muna. What if I told you na pwede kang mag-invest ng milyon-milyon sa dream home mo na hindi ka natatakbuhan at nasasayang ang pinag-ipunan mong pera sa mga contractors? Parang ex mo. Sa unang pangako lang magaling. Pero sa huli, iiwan ka sa ere at ubos pa ang pera mo. Lahat ng yan, I will explain to you by the end of this video. Yo, what's up? My name is Real Talk Darbs. Imagine this. Habang unti-unting natutupad ang pangarap mong bahay, may natutupad ding pangarap ng mga batang gustong makapag-aral sa isang school na sabay ding binubuo para sa kanila. And the best part, magagawa mo yan nang walang takot sa scam, dagdag gastos o project na hindi tinatapos at tinatakbuhan ng mga contractors. Sino mag-aakala na ang nawalan ng halos 4 million pesos, nagsara at nalugi ng ilang negosyo at dati madalas minamaliit at binubuli ay ngayon founder na ng isang kumpanyang pinagkakatiwalaan? Well, tell you a story of Yuri Minagawa, who turned his own 4 million peso loss dahil sa scam into the foundation of Akay Builders, a company designed to give families and OFWs peace of mind from day one until the day that they moved in. First, I wanted you to meet Yuri Minagawa, the founder of Akay Builders, a construction company built on trust, transparency, and dream of helping families and communities. Coming from a family with a long-established industrial business supplying machines to well-known companies, Yuri could have chosen to stay comfortable at maging financially secure. Pero kahit na stable sa buhay, he felt unfulfilled. He wanted something bigger. At first, he dreamed of building a foundation.
So talaga namin magtayo ng sarili naming foundation. Pero nung nagsisimula pa lang kami, ang daming tanong at doubts ang pumapasok sa isip ko. Nabang alam ko, paano to sustain?
Pero nung nakita niya kung gaano kabigat ang requirements at gastos, he realized he couldn't sustain it yet.
Kasi mahirap tumulong kung ikaw rin mismo ay kailangan ng tulong.
But then, that's when the idea for Akay Builders was born. Pero hindi naging madali ang entrepreneurial journey niya. Yuri went through multiple failed businesses.
Dati, meron kaming food business. At for every order, binibigyan namin ng free meal yung mga riders na nagpipick up. No matter how small the order is. Pero eventually, nag-fail din.
Nawalan pa siya ng almost 4 million pesos sa isang scam.
Then I also trusted an investment sa isang business. And I lost 4 million pesos.
But instead of giving up, he chose to bounce back.
Lagi ko nga sinasabi sa sarili ko na kung bagsak ka, there's no other way but up. So pinangako ko sa sarili ko, gagawin ko lahat para wala ng ibang pamilya ang makaranas ng ganitong klaseng sakit at hirap.
And that's when Akay Builders took shape. Not just another construction company, but as a builder that involves clients every step of the way. And it delivers what it promises and puts reputation above everything else. Sa panahon ngayon na puro pera-pera na lang ang mga construction projects, Akay Builders stood out not as a profit-driven company but as a mission-driven organization. Today, every project brings him closer to his ultimate dream: to build a school that will give unprivileged kids an education and a shot at a better future. So ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng Akay Builders from other construction company? Well, recently viral ngayon ang issue sa mga ghost construction projects kung saan more than 500 billion pesos ang na-allocate para sa flood control mula 2022. Pero marami dito ang hindi man lang pala totoong ginawa. Kung ganito ang nangyari sa malaking projects in the government, isipin mo na lang kung gaano kadali para sa isang ordinaryong pamilya na lukohin ng mga hindi trusted na contractor. That's why you need a builder na hindi lang magaling sa gawa, kundi transparent din at kasama ka in every step of the process. Then that's where Akay Builders come in. Unlike many contractors kasi na may hidden charges, endless delays at biglang nawawala sa kalagitnaan ng project, Akay Builders is built differently. Kasi with Akay Builders, you're gonna get transparent pricing and process. Detalyado ang breakdown costing. May options ka sa bawat budget at walang hidden charges. And number 2, client-involved journey. Hindi ka lang customer, tinitreat ka nila as collaborator sa project mula sa design hanggang sa pagpili ng materyales. And number 3, because of the quality standards. High quality ang workmanship at materials na ginagamit ng Akay Builders because they believe that quality breeds reputation. And number 4, pinaka-importante sa lahat, ang after-sales commitment. Hindi ka iiwan pagkatapos ng turnover. May follow-through at support kung may kailangan pang ayusin. And they have trust and they have reputation. Standard pricing, walang patong-patong na singil, and projects are finished with integrity and efficiency. But here's the best part. Ang percentage ng kikitain sa bawat bahay na natatapos ay diretsyo na sa charity, which is the Akay Foundation, which directly supports local food programs, the Parañaque Volleyball Team, and most importantly, the long-term vision of building a school for underprivileged children.
Ang vision ko is that a percentage of every project will be directed sa foundation namin para makapagpatayo talaga ng school. Kasi naniniwala ako na ang bahay at edukasyon, yan ang pundasyon ng magandang kinabukasan.
Yuri didn't just build another construction company. Instead, nag-build siya ng newfound security and hope para sa mga pamilya at OFWs na gustong makapagpatayo ng bahay ng walang takot, walang scam, at walang sakit ng ulo. At ngayon, kaya niyang sabihin with full confidence,
Akay Builders is your partner in building your dream home. Dahil dito, naniniwala kami na habang binubuo mo, kinabukasan ng pamilya mo, sabay din nating binubuo, kinabukasan ng mga batang nangangarap din makapag-aral.
Real talk. At the end of the day, a house isn't just walls and roof. It's the biggest investment of your life. At sa panahon ngayon na puro scam, puro ghost projects, at puro broken promises, you can't afford to gamble with your family's future. Lalong-lalo na kung yung pera na yun pinaghirapan mo. That's why transparency, trust, and integrity aren't just promises. They're the foundation of every project. Because real security and fulfillment is knowing na habang binubuo mo ang kinabukasan ng pamilya mo, sabay mo ring binubuo ang kinabukasan ng mga batang nangangailangan ng tulong mo. So, ready ka na bang simulan ang dream home mo nang walang takot sa scam? You can send them a message on their official Akay Builders Facebook page by checking the link on the comment section or the Facebook page that you can see on the screen right now. Build your future while building the future of others with Akay Builders. Once again, this is Real Talk Larbs, your guide on becoming a viralpreneur.